Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Electromech Solutions. Please subscribe this channel, share this video with others and press bell icon for further notification. And I hope you will like this video. Let's start today's video. Today's video is about. Please watch the complete video. Don't skip the video. Let's start the practical. Assalamu alaikum friends. Today our video is about this machine, beard cutting. This is off position, this is on. This is not working. As you can see, this is not working. Let's see what's the reason. Try to understand. We need to open it, remove the screws, cells are not good. Check the cell first. We need a digital multimeter. Select on DC volt. So we selected on DC 20 volt. The cell is not good. Another cell. It is good. It is also little bit good. Little bit okay. Yes. So put some cell in it again. Let's see. It is still not working. We need to check again. Switch it on. Check the connectivity of the button. See, it is rusty. It is also rusty. So we need to and it is broken because of rust. You can see it is not okay. And we need to check the button function also. Select the meter on the continuity and check the button. Button is working. Now switch off the button and check the again. So no continuity. It means the button function is good. Now we switch on the button again. Button function is okay. So we need to verify the water. We have an adapter. Select the adapter on 3 or 4. We have selected the adapter on the 4.5 volt. So when we will connect and give the power to, so it will be on the 3 and 3 to 4, in between the 3 to 4. Actually motor is not working, so we need to replace the motor. Meanwhile, we have changed this one because that was the rusty. This connection, and this is also rusty. We need to remove the rust of it. We need a emery paper. Let's repair this motor. Actually, you can see the rust on the strips. The current is not flowing properly, so we need to remove the rust. So what should we do? We have a thinner to wash it. So take the thinner or any other rust removing material. Yes, we can use the WD-40 also, rust removing agent. Let's check the continuity again. Now it is connected well. Let's remove the armature rust. As you can see, our motor is okay. Let's pack it completely. So friends, our motor is ready now. We need to assemble it again. Friends, you can see it's moving, it's off, and it's moving. So let's complete it. Friends, you can see it is working now. Friends, thanks for watching. Like this video and share with others. Subscribe my channel for further important videos and press bell icon so you can get notification. Stay blessed.